In the name of Yahweh, this evening, children of Yahweh, I salute you. So this evening, I would like us to discuss something about the powerful restoration of the families. The powerful restoration of the family. I have come to realize that there are families that are passing through difficulties at the time that we are discussing at this particular moment. That my brothers, my sisters, today there is somebody whom I will call a budgeter. He who will come to do a proportional budget for you. When you have a press, when you have an headache, when you have the storms that are facing your life, there is this particular person who will come to offer the proportional budget. It does not matter what the enemies have said against you. It does not matter whatever you're facing in your family. But this particular person, what it matters today, that he is the proportional budgeter. When you have prayed and you have seen your prayers have gone for long and it has not been answered, remember there is something that Yahweh is still doing. He's still preparing a way for you, my brothers, my sisters. He's still preparing a proportional budget for you. When he comes into your house, he will do an expenditures upon your family. He will do an expenditure upon your family. That those people who had laughed at you, those people who had spoken against you, there is this particular person. He's called a friend of a friend. He's called the mighty man of war. He's called the greater he is Yahweh. He's called the father to the fatherless. He's called the mother to the motherless. He's called the father to those who are orphans. He's called the father to those who had been rejected. My brothers, my sisters, today, may restoration come through your family. Whatever the illness that is there in your family, may Yahweh bring restoration in that family. May Yahweh declare out every evil that has made you to pass through difficulties. All the storming in the life, may He take it out in your life in the mighty name of Yeshua Mashiach. Let us read the Bible, my brothers, my sisters. In the book of Jeremiah, chapter number 17, verses 14, it says, "Oh Yahweh, heal me, and I will be completely well." Oh Yahweh, heal me. This is the moment you need to tell Yahweh to heal your family, to heal your budget, to heal your children, to heal your wife, to heal your spouse, to heal your parents, to heal whoever who is around you. Even the nation today need a restorational healing. Hallelujah. Be it the nation of Uganda, be it Australia, all the world today need a restorational healing. And Yahweh will rescue that families. Hallelujah. I will be perfectly safe. You are the one I praise. The people say to me, where are those threats Yahweh made against us? Let him carry them out now. Those people who had said that where are those threats that Yahweh has made against them? But let him carry it out. He is going to carry them out for you. He is going to change your family. He is going to change your history. He is going to bring a restoration in your family. Shalom.